Hey everybody, it's your girl, Credit Savvy 101. Are you ready to take control of your credit and unlock financial freedom? The first step in credit repair is first understanding the 5 main categories that make up a credit score. Today, we're diving into the basics of credit scores. Think of your credit score as your financial report card. It's a 3-digit number that tells lenders how responsible you are with borrowing money. We're going to break it down category by category so you can understand exactly what goes into this mysterious number. This is the first step in understanding how to build good credit. And good credit is the key to getting lower interest rates on loans, qualifying for apartments, a future home, and even landing certain jobs. So let's get started. First, let's quickly talk about what is a credit score. A credit score is a 3-digit number, typically ranging from 300 to 850. This number reflects your creditworthiness or how likely you are to repay borrowed money responsibly. Lenders, landlords, and even employers use this score to assess your financial reliability. Imagine this. You're asking a friend to borrow money. Before handing over the cash, your friend would probably want to know if you've borrowed money before and if you paid it back on time, right? That's essentially what a credit score does for companies. The higher your score, the more confident lenders are that you'll repay your debts on time and in full. A good credit score unlocks better interest rates on loans, making borrowing cheaper for you in the long run. It's like getting good grades to get into the college of your dreams. With a credit score, it's getting a good grade to qualify for better rates when borrowing money. Listen up, because this is important. A good credit score can save you thousands of dollars over your lifetime. It's not just about getting approved for loans. It's about saving money in interest over the long run. The higher your interest rate, the more money you will be paying in total over the course of the loan. A good score leads to better rates, which means you'll pay back less money over time. Who doesn't love saving money, right? But it goes beyond that. Landlords often check credit scores before renting out apartments. A good score increases your chances of securing your dream apartment. Even some employers consider credit history during the hiring process, especially for positions that involve handling finances. You might be thinking, do I really need a credit score? Especially if you're young and haven't borrowed much money. It's a fair question. Here's the thing. In today's world, having a credit score is almost unavoidable. It's not about encouraging debt. It's about proving your financial responsibility. Think of it like a financial passport that opens doors to better financial opportunities. Without a credit score, you'll face higher interest rates, limited borrowing options, and may even encounter obstacles when renting an apartment or securing certain jobs. It's like trying to travel to a foreign country without a passport. Quite difficult. Let's unravel the mystery behind credit scores together. We'll break down the 5 main factors that determine your score, starting with the most important one: payment history. Your payment history reveals your track record of paying bills on time. It accounts for a significant portion of your credit score, around 35%. This makes sense, right? Lenders want to see that you have a history of paying your debts responsibly. Late payments, missed payments, collections, and bankruptcies can negatively impact your payment history. On the other hand, consistently paying bills on time is like building a strong credit foundation. Moving on to the second most crucial factor: amounts owed, which makes up about 30% of your credit score. This refers to how much money you owe on credit cards, loans, and other debts. The key here is to keep your credit utilization low, which means using a small portion of your available credit. For instance, if you have a credit card with a $1,000 limit and you only spend $200, your credit utilization is a healthy 20%. Lenders want to know, are you maxing out your cards, or are you using them responsibly? Next up is the length of your credit history, which accounts for 15%. A longer credit history generally demonstrates financial stability, so it's not always a good idea to close a credit card once it's paid off. Having a credit card open for a number of years shows creditors that you are committed to handling your credit card responsibly. New credit makes up 10% of your score, and opening too many new credit accounts in a short period can be risky and make you as a borrower look risky. It's like a friend asking to borrow money from you and hearing that they also asked several of your other friends to borrow money as well. This can be viewed as desperation and make you think twice about lending money to this particular friend. Same goes for lenders. If they see too many new accounts around the same time, they will view you as risky. Finally, we have the types of credit used, also making up 10%. A mix of credit, such as credit cards and installment loans, can positively contribute to your score. Say you have an auto loan, mortgage, personal loan, and credit cards, and are paying them all on time and responsibly. This looks better than someone with just a mortgage and no other loans. Lenders want to see a mix handled responsibly. Congratulations! You've just completed Credit Score 101. Remember, your credit score is a powerful financial tool, and understanding how it works is crucial for achieving your financial goals. We've covered the basics, what a credit score is, why it's essential, and the 5 main factors that influence it. Now it's your turn to take action. Check your credit report, identify areas for improvement, and start building positive credit habits. Stay tuned for more videos in this series, where I'll share practical tips and strategies for improving your credit score and achieving financial freedom. Remember, you are capable and deserving of financial well-being. Until next time.